So we're now cooking the Wagyu steak. This is the flank, and we're cooking it on a barbecue, little mini barbecue here, and we've got a nice hot 350. So we want to sear the steak on both sides and seal the juices in and get a little bit of grill pattern. Is that right, Ollie?
Yeah, and we've already seasoned it. So, a lot of salt, lots of pepper.
Salt and pepper.
And then we're just going to rub it in the garlic rosemary oil, which is just veg oil blended with rosemary and garlic. And then you just...
But you don't have to do this, do you?
You don't have to do this.
This is just the pièce de résistance
Exactly,
kind of thing.
yeah.
This is when we're going to get some... So we're getting some nice searing noises there. Bit of smoke. Plenty of heat. And we've got to be careful not to probably overcook this, haven't we, Ollie? So we've got this about 2-3 minutes. Plenty of smoke coming out the top. So now we're going to turn it over. Look at that. We've got some lovely good marks there with a little bit of
flame on there. That's the fun.
And by that roof going back on cuts the flame. Does the cooking. It's a very thin steak. We're not going to cook it too long. Got a nice bit of smoke there, a great bit of charcoal flavour. So now we're going to take it off, and we're going to let it sit about the same amount of time that we cooked it for. Beautiful. Right, here we are with the flank steak of the Wagyu beef from Worstead Farm in Norfolk. So this has been barbecued, and oh, look at that. Cutting it across the grain, nice and juicy. We have let it rest to try and keep the juices in, but it still cuts really well. This is the cheaper cut, but still very tender. And looks, but it's redder as well.
I've never seen a steak that juicy.
I've never seen a steak that juicy. Okay, can you cut a bit off so we can taste it? Not quite as tender, but
It's a
fantastic flavour.
It's a different, the grain of the meat's a lot.
Juicy, Jules?
Very juicy.
You spilt it out.
It's very nice. Cooked
Fantastic flavour.
perfectly on the barbecue as well.
Cooked perfectly, yeah. So that's
It wasn't hard to
another
do, though.
10 out of 10, Toby?